In this video we will talk about hair loss, a hair loss cure 2020 for men. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Hair loss in male pattern baldness occurs in a pattern. Below are some simple, natural and effective remedies to get rid of male pattern baldness once and for all. Procerin as a natural remedy for hair loss has been found effective in reversing hair loss in men caused by androgenetic alopecia, the most common cause of male hair loss, thinning hair and receding hairlines often referred to as widow's peak. Basically, men suffering from androgenetic alopecia have extremely high levels of the chemical dihydrotestosterone, a byproduct of the major male hormone testosterone. So when this hormone is converted into DHT, the results are hair loss, and this is where Procerin steps in and blocks the production of DHT, and unlike other medications does not react with testosterone. Procerin has been scientifically designed to help men retain and regrow their hair. The 17 active ingredients are all natural herbal, vitamin, and mineral DHT inhibitors and include home remedies for a hair loss for men: saw palmetto berries, gotu kola, nettles, magnesium, zinc sulfate, Siberian ginseng, vitamin B6, pumpkin seed meal. Avoid brushing wet hair. When hair is wet, it is in its weakest state. So avoid brushing wet hair because the chances of hair loss increases. But if you must comb wet hair, use a very wide-toothed comb. Avoid smoking. Smoking cigarettes reduces the amount of blood that flows to the scalp, and this causes a reduction in hair growth. Onion and garlic. Extract of onion and garlic juice can significantly help in dealing with male pattern baldness. The two can together facilitate regrowth of hair. Henna leaves. Henna leaves have been traditionally used as part of Indian tradition to deal with hair loss. While henna powder is popularly used for coloring hair, it can also help in dealing with male pattern baldness. Henna naturally conditions hair and improves hair growth. Essential oils. When used in with other carrier oils, essential oils can effectively help in treating male pattern baldness. Essential oils of lavender, thyme, rosemary and cedarwood, along with carrier oils such as jojoba oil or grapeseed oil, can be helpful. Eggs. Massaging your scalp with eggs can be helpful as a natural remedy for male pattern baldness. Protein-rich eggs can help in maintaining thick and long hair. Cinnamon and olive oil. A mixture of olive oil and cinnamon powder can work as an effective remedy for male pattern baldness. You just need to add some teaspoons of cinnamon powder in a cup of oil and mix well to make a paste. This paste can be applied on scalp and left for an hour. And Mura puma root, because the Procerin hair loss product for men contains only natural ingredients, the only known side effects are mild stomach discomfort for the first few days. If you are suffering an illness, it is wise to consult your doctor before use, especially if you are currently taking a MAOI inhibitor. Studies have shown that Procerin is more effective as a natural hair loss remedy in men aged between 18 to 35 and those whose hair is still in a growth phase. Men that still have growing hair experience an increase in hair count, an improvement in both hairline and thinning at the crown of their head, because hair grows at an extremely slow rate, about 1 inch every 2 months. It best to take Procerin for at 1 to 2 months before results can be expected, but some users of Procerin have reported good results after only 2 weeks. Most men take 1 to 3 months before significant increases in hair count occur. Not bad comparing to Propecia that can take up to 6 months for good hair growth results. So does Procerin work? Procerin has had many good results with many success stories, and the companies boasts that Procerin, the natural hair loss remedy, works with 92% of men who suffer androgenetic alopecia, the most common cause of hair loss, plus Procerin is a cost-effective alternative to other hair loss products like Propecia and Rogaine, and unlike prescription medication, Procerin is backed by a 90-day unconditional, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose except your hair, of course. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.